Welcome to my YouTube series on learning the Go programming language. Uh, in my first video, we're going to talk about what kind of programming language is Go, what it's used for, and then we'll take a quick look at the documentation provided on Go's webpage. So what kind of programming language is Go? Go is a compiled programming language, statically typed. So if you've used JavaScript or Python before, those are dynamically typed languages. Difference being statically typed, meaning you have to declare the variable type. Garbage collected, like in Java. Unlike C or C++, where you have to memory manage. Concurrent for multi-thread applications. Go is actually really good at doing this stuff using Go routines, which is something we will talk about near the end of the series. It's a fast programming language and it's open source. If you hear noise in the background, it's my dog. And so what's Go used for? You can use Go to do web development, microservices, applications, and for backend. Yeah. Okay. So now I am going to show the documentation for Go because it's going to be very useful. We'll be referencing it during the series, and it'll be useful for yourself if you ever need to look something up in future for yourself. All right. So this is the URL. You can read all of this if you want to, but we're only going to look at this really quick. Where is it? Package documentation. We're just going to look at this for now, but all this other stuff you can look at yourself. So these are all the packages in Go. I'll talk about packages in the third video, but it's pretty much like libraries. VC++, it's like header files, imports in Java. So we can just take a look at one really quick. Let's see. So there's a package called math, and it even has a description. Package math provides basic constants and mathematical functions. These are sub-packages, you could call them. So if we look at the math package, this would be how you would import it. These are all the functions that this package provides. Flooring, cosine, min, max, modulo, etc. Basic stuff. So that's Go in a nutshell, what it's used for, and a brief look at its documentation. So in the next video, I will show up how we can install Go and set up a development environment.